Do you want to learn how to make $75 to $200 in less than an hour as a notary public? Notary loan signing agents earn anywhere from $75 to $200 per appointment, which takes less than an hour. Let's start by understanding what a loan signing is. When a house is bought, sold, or refinanced, a set of very important loan documents will need to be signed. That's where a notary loan signing agent comes in. A notary loan signing agent makes sure all the loan documents are signed correctly and witnessed during the transaction, to ensure the funding process goes as smooth as possible. As a loan signing agent, you meet with the borrower or borrowers in a place that's convenient for them, like their home or a coffee shop. You'll bring along all the necessary documents, guide them through the signing process, and make sure everything is done properly. And most importantly, notarize the loan documents as needed. To get started as a loan signing agent, you would need to have a notary commission in your state. Once you receive your notary commission, you are a notary signing agent and can start making money. On average, a loan signing agent can earn $75 to $200 per loan signing appointment. There are two common ways to get business as a notary signing agent. One is through something called signing services, and the second is referred to as direct business. Becoming a notary loan signing agent is a great way to increase your notary public income and to diversify your notary public business. To get access to the Loan Signing System's free loan signing agent training, click the link below.